Yes. I heard everything you just said about me. So, pogi pala ako.
Patay ka diha.
Sup, bro? Sorry to keep you waiting.
Eh,
Bro. Bro, magkakilala kayo?
yun sana yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo, Ikit. Pero hindi ako makatiming. Yeah, we know each other. Siya ang kuya ko.
Kuya. Kuya? Kapatid kayo, Drew. Paano? Paano nangyari yun?
Magkapatid kami sa ama. So, technically, he's my half-brother.
Brothers. Ay. Sir, I'm very, very sorry for what you hear. Lahat ng narinig mo, sir, it's a prank. 1 million times sorry. Di ko alam yung gagawin ko, sir. Sir, don't fire me.